in our view, all cryptocurrencies are very cheap right now. They're down 65% from their highs. At the highs, everybody wanted to get invested.
At the highs, were they too expensive?
Yeah, obviously, okay. in hindsight. Right now, they're still down about 65%. Much cheaper to buy now and participate in the rally as it goes. And there is a good technical indicator that we look at. When the currency breaks through its 200-day moving average, if you buy that day and sell a year later, you make an average of 239%.
Bitcoin may have reached its bottom this year, Dan Moorhead, founder of Pantera Capital Management, told CNBC. So now is a good time to buy. All cryptocurrencies are very cheap right now, said Moorhead, who serves as CEO and co-chief investment officer at Pantera. As a whole, cryptocurrencies have declined about 65% from their highs this year. He said, it's much cheaper to buy now and participate in the rally as it goes. This is what I talk about when you buy the dips. You buy when RSI is low and you buy at the dips. Bitcoin, one of the most popular cryptocurrency, reached record highs of almost 20K last December, only to dip below 6,000 in February. On Thursday evening around this time, it is currently priced at 7,500 USD. The volatile nature of all cryptocurrencies has left market watchers on edge amid looming regulatory concerns. Cryptocurrency is, of course, still a largely unregulated market. But this might work in investors' favor, Moorhead said. Many institutions are essentially buying the rumor and selling the fact. He said getting invested now so that in 3, 4, 5 months when the institutional, this is what I talk about, the institutional quality regulated custodians that we're hearing about come online, they'll already have their positions. His tip for investors, buy a cryptocurrency once it breaks its 230-day moving average, wait a year and sell it. He says that just doing that, you will make a 239% return. Of course, he is just going off historical data, and history doesn't always repeat itself, but oftentimes it does. So you do have to, give his trading strategy quite, give it some thought, right? I'm not saying you should do that. I'm not saying you shouldn't, but just give it some thought. I don't do that particular strategy. I use a lot more than just the 230-day moving average. I use many moving averages, and I use, RSI and, Bollinger Bands, but whatever, he's still making a good point. The trader said that this strategy is best illustrated in Bitcoin, a coin in which it happened about 5 times in the last 6 years. That's the essence of his trade. It rarely ever gets cheap to its long-term average, Moorhead said. So today is a good day to be buying. Pantera Capital Management, which Moorhead founded in 2013, is one of the first U.S. Bitcoin firms. The company owns 35 pre-auction ICOs and about 25 liquid blockchain cryptocurrencies, including XRP, ETH, and Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, just to go over this again, I know people are going to say, hey, he's biased, hey, he owns a hedge fund, why? Of course he's going to say this, but here's the reality. If he really thought crypto was going to go and crash, right, crash to nothing, which we all know it's not going to do that, but if he honestly thought that, he would not be in this market right now. He would be jumping ship months ahead of time, saving his reputation, going into stocks, going into gold, silver, whatever. But he's staying on the ship because he recognizes that, yes, short-term pain hurts. It hurts, if we're having a bear market for 6 months to a year. It hurts definitely, but you can't miss the forest for the trees. You have to think long term. In long term, blockchain is revolutionizing our entire economy. We are becoming decentralized. We are becoming more resistant to DDoS attacks, more resistant to hacking, and we are becoming more efficient where we could bank the unbanked. People don't need bank accounts necessarily to do bank transfers between people. They could just send cryptocurrencies. We're having dApps, decentralized applications, where their data storage is not based on a central institution. Instead, it is distributed amongst many different places. So it's much harder to break into. Blockchain is revolutionizing the way we live, the way we interact with each other, and the value of cryptocurrencies long term is unstoppable. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.